The sixth state in the Midwest region of the United States is Iowa. Iowa is the only U.S. state name that begins with two vowels. The capital of Iowa is Des Moines. Des Moines has the only five-domed Capitol building in the country. The main dome is covered in thin sheets of real gold. Des Moines, Iowa is also home to the Iowa State Fair. Every summer, over 1 million people come for carnival rides, music, to see animals, and try over 50 different foods on a stick, including pork chops and corn dogs. Iowa grows more corn than any other state in the USA. Iowa grows over 2.5 billion bushels of corn a year. Corn from Iowa is used to make food, fuel, and even crayons. You can see tall cornfields across the state in the summer. In Burlington, Iowa, there is a street called Snake Alley. It's nicknamed the most crooked street in the world, similar to another very famous crooked street in San Francisco called Lombard Street. It was built in 1894 and designed by 3 German immigrants to replicate the long winding paths and roads of vineyards in France and Germany. The town of Le Mars, Iowa is nicknamed the ice cream capital of the world. They even have an ice cream museum you can visit.